Jacob.
Oh,
I'm mentioning his name.
why are you like that?
Yes.
Who is Jacob? We all know about Jacob.
Because you post him all the time. I mean, she's not a
Yes,
relationship with him.
it's
So
true.
you want to know about, you and Jacob. How is everything going in your relationship?
We are waiting for the wedding, eh?
Hey, relax for me, ma. Please, I beg you.
Okay. Tell us about it. We want to know.
Well, I wasn't expecting. This is introductory, please.
Please,
tell
no,
us
but
about
we're trying to get to know each other. So.
Exactly.
Okay. Relax.
You already said I had a baby,
Relax.
so
She has a baby?
no.
No, she has a baby. I don't have a baby, but I do have a boyfriend. Yes, he's called Jacob. What else?
the love that they've been doing online.
Oh, please. It's just normal stuff.
How long have you guys been together?
This year is going to be 4 years.
Why not?
They've known each other.
We've known each other from
That one.
we've known each other for like way long because we dated in SHS actually. Yeah.
Do you
so-
think you guys are gonna get married?
Yes.
Hopefully. Yes.
Yeah.
And when?
Relax for me.
You should tell us now.
Relax for me, please.
People are putting tension on.
Oh yes, it's too much.
No,
4 years. Now, I feel like 4 years is okay. I'm not ready to get married. I
Yeah.
feel like as a man, we don't really, like, he's not even an older person, so I don't want to even. Honestly, it's not like I don't even want to pressure him with that. I haven't thought of that. I will get married when I want to get married. So that's how it just works.
He's
for me.
Erica. So the thing that you guys did, he arranged some. Will you marry me? Was it a joke?
That was in Lebanon. It
That
was not
wasn't
even for me. It wasn't for me. I just pretended.
Eric.
That's what I'm supposed to believe as on social media.
So okay, social media and it's
No, but I actually even said it that very day. Like, it's not mine. It was like some Lebanese couple that were getting
then I
married.
see
Some content.
So it was just it's just like it happened in my hotel. So we
Right.
just took pictures of it.
content.
But no, we are not getting married.
Girls are loud.